Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Today let's discuss chronology-based questions. The following persons came to India at one time or another. 1. Fahim. 2. Ising. 3. Megasthenes. 4. Hyanzang. The correct chronological sequence of their visits is A. 312, 4. B. 3142, C. 1324, D. 1342. Option B is the correct answer. Chronological sequence of visitors. Megasthenes, an ancient Greek historian and diplomat, arrived in India during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, around 300 BCE approximately. He visited Patliputra, capital of the Mauryan Empire, and compiled his observations in the lost work Indica. He described Indian geography and mentioned interactions with King Sandracortes, Chandragupta Maurya, and even possibly with King Porus during Alexander the Great's invasion. Fahim was a Chinese Buddhist monk and traveler who journeyed from China to India between 399 and 412 CE to obtain Buddhist texts. He spent a decade in India during the reign of Chandragupta XI. His travelogue, a record of Buddhist kingdoms, provides valuable insights into early Indian Buddhism. Faxian visited sacred Buddhist sites and monasteries, including Kapilvastu, Bodh Gaya, Varanasi, and Kushinagar. He described the prosperity of Indian cities and their inhabitants' devotion to Buddhism. Hyanzang, born in AD 602, embarked on a journey to India in 629 during the Tang dynasty. He traveled through perilous terrains and visited various Indian cities. He admired King Harsha Vardhan's patronage of Buddhism in Kannauj. After 16 years, he returned to China in AD 645, translating Buddhist texts until his death in AD 664. Chinese Buddhist traveler Ising journeyed to India from 671 to 695 AD. His travelogue, record of the inner law sent home from the southern sea, documents customs, daily life, and Buddhism schools. This valuable book translates his entire travelogue, offering insights into Buddhism and Ising's experiences, along with a general introduction to the religion. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.